like fruit. It may sound crazy, but it's not because I'm lazy. I like fruit. Oh, I like fruit. I like bananas that are bendy, apples that are red. Sandwiches are nice, but I'd rather have instead grapes are round and juicy, watermelon too. I like it all so much, do you? Oh, I like fruit. Yes, I like fruit. I like oranges and mangoes, pears and all the rest. I don't have a favorite, I like them all the best. Apricots are juicy, cantaloupe is too. Could eat it all day long, could you?